Hello everybody, welcome back to another reaction video, and welcome to another reaction to Animals at a Farthing Wood. I feel a lot better today, a lot better than yesterday. Sorry, I was a little sick yesterday. Usually when I'm sick for, I guess I'm blessed with a good immune system, because usually when I get sick, I'm sick for like 1-2 days max, and then that's pretty much it. So, I'm fine now. So, this is episode 2 of series 2. A lot happened in the first episode of series 2. We met the new villains, and basically the Farthing Wood animals got their own land on the park in White Deer Park. How that's gonna work out, I don't know, but we'll see. This episode is called Winter. I made sure to say the episode name because I believe these are the German copies, but these are in really good quality, so that's why we're using them.
After coming all this way, perhaps what's needed is some land of your own inside the park's boundaries. Sort of a Farthing Wood within White Deer Park?
As long as he's not on my
Is Badger and the
patch.
deer just the same voice?
Scarface threatened everything.
Frightened the life out of me, he did. And he had this horrible scar on his face.
No one is forced to live on Farthing land, but if you don't, remember, you won't be protected by the oath.
It began to grow colder. Winter was coming.
Uh-oh.
Can't even dig up grubs.
Miss.
Remember the oath.
Don't want to make the same mistake Kestrel
No
did.
Farthing Wood mouse.
Better safe than sorry, Kestrel.
How do you not know?
Miserable little cheat.
Bro's laughing his ass off.
Of course, it's more difficult when the pond is frozen over, but on the other hand, fish do tend to be rather sluggish when it's cold, which makes our job easier. So you see, with a little perseverance, we can be as successful in winter as in summer. Though, of course, we must be careful not to...
He's like, bro, she won't
too
stop
long,
talking.
due to the danger of being frozen in situ.
Oh, my old bones are telling me we're in for a hard winter. Oh.
The warden knows something too. I saw him putting out hay for the deer this morning.
That's a bad sign.
Well, at least we've got the oath.
How's that supposed to help? It
Yeah, that's a
won't
good point.
feed us, will it?
No, but it will remind us to look after one another.
Well said, Fox.
When it comes to survival, it is the fittest who emerge triumphant.
But we must look after the
says
old
you.
ones, Owl.
It is the law of nature. We go against nature at our peril. The fit shall perish with the weak. Take my word for it.
Ow, you literally just...
Hi there, mateys.
You're such a joke.
Toady, not gone into hibernation yet?
Just wanted to say goodbye. Oh dear, I'd better get my head down double quick, or I'll fall asleep in the open. Bye, mateys.
Bye, Toad.
Peace, homie.
See you in the spring.
We hope.
Brr, Toad's right. Too cold out here in the open. I'm going home. Get my head down.
Goodbye, Badger. Poor old Badger.
Peace at last.
I love her, she's my little baby. Oh, you're the funniest weasel I have ever seen.
Oh, God.
My darling weasel.
Dooby-dooby-doo-doo.
Dooby-doo.
I'm gonna fucking shoot myself.
Can a toad not get a bit of sleep around here? Take that, mateys.
Hopeless, hopeless. One might as well try and crack shellfish. Oh, my goodness, aren't I the brainy one?
Are you, my dear?
Crayfish, how do you like them?
Well, I'll eat them if I'm hungry, and I am.
Follow me.
Oh, that's nice.
No one would have thought the snow would last so long.
Oh, this is no use. Oh, it's you. What do you want?
Thought you might be hungry, girl.
Oh, a grub. Tar ever so. Got any more? How rude.
I was hoping he would have
You're
died.
useless.
Ain't for me.
Wow.
Nice to see. Someone's eating. Oh, I say, Badger, do try some. Well, at least it's meat. Want some more? Speedy's got a whole heap of them. You wouldn't. It's fox and vixen, you see. Skin and bone. All the meat eaters. Say no more. Whistler has not forgotten the oath. Take all you can carry, Badger.
But
You're so good at fishing, my dear. You'll soon catch some more.
She's like, what the hell?
What do you think about the survival of the fittest now, Owl?
Don't interrupt while I'm eating.
Food.
you're not Farthing Wood.
But...
Go away.
I actually agree. You're not
You've
gonna
saved our lives, Whistler.
You're not gonna make me feel sad for the sexual assault weasel. Sorry.
What wouldn't I give
Not
for
gonna happen.
one mouse?
I couldn't so much as look at another crayfish. Oh, come on. Let's go hunting.
My, what miserable looking specimens they are.
At least having their own territory keeps them at a suitable distance from us. I would hate to see our cubs mixing with theirs, wouldn't you?
As long as they stay there. But just let them put 1 foot wrong.
It's as though they were keeping us prisoner.
Don't want us poaching on their territory.
Well, yeah.
But they've got most of the park. We'll starve if we keep to Farthing Land.
I mean, that was the
deal.
agreement.
No use fighting about it now.
But look at you.
We'll manage.
I mean, that was the agreement.
See? No spunk.
What are you doing, Vixen?
The common, brazen little...
Vixen?
I'm warning you. 1 more step.
The stag didn't mean us to be kept prisoner on our own lands.
We can't come on yours. And you can't come on ours.
Yeah, that was the agreement.
But if we don't, we'll starve.
Well,
We can't eat Farthing Wood creatures because of the oath. It leaves us very little.
that's kind of a you
My
problem,
heart
though.
bleeds for you.
There's one thing you have to learn, my dear. My mate is the law around here.
Oh, I thought the stag would...
The stag may be the king, but Scarface holds the power. No one can better him.
Not even you.
Oh, how dare you!
Vixen!
Listen, I hate to take the sides of the villain and everything, but I mean, that was the agreement, you know? They stay on their land, you stay on yours. And I get it, like, oh, we might starve, but, like, that's kind of a you problem, you know? Like, that's not their problem, you know? I mean, that was the deal, brother. Sorry.
130, 131, 132. Oh, it's no good. Whew. May as well go and see how the others are doing. My goodness, what a winter. Never seen the like.
Measley! Measley! Ooh!
Hopefully he's dead.
Fox is king of the castle. You're the dirty rascal.
Weasel, you're gonna get yourself murdered, and I'm not gonna feel bad for you. Alright. Oh! Oh no.
Badger! Badger! Are you there?
He's a little old to be taking fall like that.
Badger!
All right. So what will you give me for them? I don't know. Where did those nuts come from? Collected them myself, didn't I? Are you sure you didn't steal them from the wet schools? We don't want any trouble. Me? Steal? Do me a favour. All right. What do you want for them? Nice warm bed for the night?
Uh-oh.
What do you mean, Badger's gone?
Uh-oh.
I looked for him in his set, and he wasn't there.
Probably just gone out for a bit. Nothing to worry about.
But there's just no trace of him.
Oh, no. We were so anxious about getting enough to eat ourselves, we forgot to take care of him. He's old, Fox.
He is old.
All right, I'll call a
And
meeting.
now he's probably concussed.
Maybe we can send out a search party.
Consisting of who? Oh no. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
Badger lost? Don't panic! Don't panic!
Excuse me, but why should we care? We aren't bound by the oath anymore. We all have to look after ourselves.
Yes,
now.
you are.
Badger might die.
That's the whole point of this land, you idiot. Has Bro not been paying attention to the plot?
Time.
What was that?
I said we all have to go sometime.
I might die of cold
I hope
or
you do.
starvation. Doesn't anybody care about me?
No. Not particularly.
Stop making an exhibition of yourself.
The oath doesn't mean anything anymore. I quite agree. Look what happened to my wife. Kestrel ate her.
Okay, he's got a point.
Dear, I'll never live it down.
Well, you probably shouldn't. You ate his wife.
Pride comes before a...
Stop squabbling and let's get on with it. Are there any volunteers to look for Badger? Remember how he led you all when I was swept away by the river?
It's no good looking at us. I know it was our fault you got swept away, but look at me. I'm skin and bone, frozen to the...
Shut up.
Oh,
Thank you.
All right. I'll go.
So will I. My eyes should spot him in the snow. Where's Weasel? She might make herself useful for once.
I told you
you to remember where you left it. I said at the time.
But I'm sure it was here somewhere.
Always the same. Goes crazy looking for nuts, squirrels them away and then forgets where she put them. I ask you.
I was right. It was here. Someone's raided my larder.
And I know who.
Oh god, they'll whoop her ass.
Oh, what happened?
What brings you this way, Fox?
I'm looking for Badger. He's disappeared.
So interesting. This concern your band of animals
Bro does not
feels
care.
for one another. Is Farthing Land all you hope for?
It is, but...
I see you're hungry. A pity you don't eat hay, Fox. The warden leaves plenty for us.
some of the smaller creatures, rabbits, field mice, they'd like some hay.
Then they shall have it. I hope you find the badger.
Thanks, big homie.
Kestrel, have you seen any sign of him?
I've searched from one end of the park to the other. He seems to have disappeared. Well?
Nothing.
Ugh.
Owl?
The warden took him. I don't know if that's a good thing or a
I've
bad
looked
thing.
high and low. It's very peculiar. I mean, he can't just have vanished into thin air.
It's time we all accepted it. Badger is dead.
No! No! He isn't dead! He isn't!
They might be.
Believe it!
Oh. Bro's in a dog bed. Oh, okay. Cool. There, okay, homie's getting the VIP treatment meanwhile.
The white stag was as good as his word. At least the grass eaters amongst us won't starve.
You want Badger's living it up? That's kind of funny. Oh god, a cat.
Where am I?
In the warden's cottage, of course.
What's happened to me? Did the man do this to me?
Don't you remember what happened?
No.
He won't like you doing that.
Yeah, don't do that.
I suppose an enemy hurt you.
I haven't got many enemies, just humans and...
But my human looked after you. You should be thanking your lucky stars.
dogs.
Dogs. Now you're talking. Disgusting, fawning creatures.
Now who's fawning?
Don't spit at the badger. There, badger. Try and eat a bit of that.
I know what I'm doing.
There, I won't hurt you.
Hey, he's got Badger's voice too, what the hell?
I have him eating out of my paw.
You mean you eat out of his? You wouldn't survive in the wild for 2 seconds.
True.
I could if I wanted.
Nah.
I keep in practice. And I still hunt for fun.
Ah! You call that fun?
Didn't you like it?
It was funny.
Please yourself. And where do you think you're going?
Home.
You can forget about that.
Why? I'm not a prisoner, am I?
Keep your fur on. He'll let you go as soon as you can walk, but not before.
True.
But my friends will be worried about me. Fox, rabbit, owl, kestrel, hare, toad.
What dreadful company you keep.
We learned to tolerate one another, even look after one another. We came such a long way together.
This sounds like the start of a good story for a winter afternoon.
Kestrel, have you seen Badger yet? Badger?
Oh, shit.
What have you found, my love?
You fool of a female. You scared it off.
You fool of a female is crazy.
And because of the oath, the other animals are bound to help me.
Bro
If they
can't.
think
Bro's
I'm
not
in
listening.
trouble, they won't stop looking for me, even at risk to their own lives.
So,
I can't walk, but you can. You could take a message to them. Tell them I'm all right.
I knew you were after something. Go out in that nasty cold snow? You must be joking.
If you do, they'll always be your friends. The oath will extend to you, and if ever you're in trouble...
I understand. I lick your back. You lick mine.
Hey, yo.
Yuck!
He's kind of freaky.
On the other hand, perhaps it would be easier to take your message.
We're going round in circles.
Look, poor Moley. He's wearing himself out looking for Badger. We all are.
I'm a fool to myself, really.
This dude's funny. I hope he doesn't find the wrong fox.
I have news of Badger.
Did you say Badger?
Are you the mole from Farthing Wood? Ah, then you are his friend. He sent me with a message. He was injured somehow, but now he's quite safe in the warden's lodge.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
He'll be there till he's better. All right?
All right. It's wonderful.
I thought you liked the badger.
I do. I do.
Then why are you crying? I just told you. He is all right.
That's why I'm crying.
Inscrutable.
I say.
Oh, don't say you want me to take a message back as well. Oh, all right. I'm coming.
Oh no. Oh no!
Oh no! No, Kestrel, no! The cat's a friend!
Oh no!
Oh, not again! First the mouse, now...
Oh my god.
What's going on?
I suppose you're Vixen. You and your stupid oath. I can't walk a step.
Kestrel, you fucking idiot! Holy bro. Oh my god. How did Kestrel turn into the dumbest character in the show? She was so competent in the first series. What the hell happened? I get it. She was trying to, I get it. She's trying to protect Mole, but god damn, bro. First she eats that guy's wife. And then oh man, Castral's literally fucking this whole thing up, and we're 2 episodes in, man. That's crazy. Jesus. 2 episodes in. 2 episodes in. Oh man. Oi. Yeah, this is bad. Already bad. Yeah, well, that's real bad. That's really bad. Christ. Well, we'll see how this works out, because, yeah, this is, not good. Not good. Alright, well, that's gonna do it for another episode of Animals of Farthing Wood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to leave it a like. If you didn't like it, don't. Follow any of my social media links are all in the video description. Links on my Patreons. You didn't know, you can be Patreon me for as little as £1 and you get extra direction videos, as well as reading content up to date, or at least sometimes more. With all that being said, though, my name's Stafford. It's been my, another reaction to Animals of the Farthing Wood, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.